Let's quickly compare and contrast Smartsheet to ClickUp Business Plan Software. So basically, when you think about Smartsheet or ClickUp, those two are primarily project management tools that you can actually use to accommodate your business plan writing activities. So here's a presentation I want you to think about. So first of all, I want to say that when you think about Smartsheet or ClickUp, think about a popular project management software for individuals and businesses. You can use those two tools for anything, including writing a business plan. And they do have also business plan templates within each tool that you can customize for your business plan, or you can actually create a new template right off the bat from the tool. And when you think about Smartsheet and ClickUp, those two offers various features and functionalities to streamline workflows, enhance communication, and foster team collaboration around the writing of a business plan or any kind of organization-wide report, okay? And what I want to do here is I want to really compare and contrast Smartsheet to ClickUp in terms of their respective features, pricing, strengths, and weaknesses to help you select the best option for your business plan writing activity. So let's first talk about Smartsheet. What is Smartsheet? Smartsheet actually was designed based on the familiar interface of spreadsheets. And Smartsheet helps teams collaborate, manage projects, and streamline work processes around all kinds of activities, including writing business plans. So Smartsheet allows you to create, edit, and share documents, track progress, and automate repetitive tasks. It is used by businesses of all sizes and across various industries to improve productivity, enhance communication, and achieve project goals efficiently, especially as the project revolves around business plan writing. So that's for Smartsheet. What about ClickUp here? Well, ClickUp is a project management software that helps teams and organizations as well as individuals organize and collaborate on tasks and projects, including writing business plans and corporate reports. And ClickUp is known for its customizable interface, allowing users to personalize their workspace and adapt that workspace to their specific workflow. And ClickUp offers many features such as task management, document sharing, team collaboration, time tracking, and resource management. Boss, welcome back to the show. It's really a pleasure to have you here. Make yourself comfortable. You are going to enjoy today's conversation. I want to talk to you about the details. So when we analyze Smartsheet versus ClickUp, and we're looking at this from business plan software capability, what are the details you need to really pay attention to? First of all, when we talk about the features, you basically have more features, like you have features such as project views, storage, resource management, support, reporting and analytics, collaboration and communication, and in terms of learning curve and the mobile app. What I want to say here is that when in terms of pricing, ClickUp is slightly cheaper than Smartsheet, and both offer a free plan. So this is really good. In terms of project views, if you are working on let's say on a business plan, Smartsheet offers you like more than six, and ClickUp has a 15. So this is really important to really think about. In terms of storage, it's limited for pro and business plans for Smartsheet. For ClickUp, you have unlimited for paid plans. So as long as you have a paid plan in ClickUp, you are good to go. And in terms of the features here, you have resource management in both of them. Yes. You also have a support. This is really important to really mention that. So when we talk about support, for instance, within Smartsheet, you have phone support for enterprise. Professional support add-on is available. ClickUp has a better support option here because you have 24/7 customer support for all users. You have live chat for paid users. You have priority support for Business Plus and Enterprise plans. Dedicated customer success manager for enterprise. So this is kind of important because if you are working on a business plan, let's say a major business plan, and you would love to have customer support ASAP, ClickUp seems to win here. You have reporting and analytics within both platforms. You have collaboration and communication also. Those capabilities are here, not a problem. And when it comes to ClickUp, you have a moderate learning curve, and Smartsheet is a lot easier, okay? and both have mobile apps. And when it comes to Android and iOS, not a problem. Boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We are having a conversation about Smartsheet versus ClickUp Business Plan Software. Let's talk about pricing here. So, if you are thinking about, if you're thinking about Smartsheet or ClickUp for writing a business plan, and you want to pay attention to pricing, I want you to look right now on the screen here. So we're going to show you Smartsheet pricing. You can see here that Smartsheet you have a free plan, Pro, Business, and Enterprise. Again, those prices are as of the date of this show. They might have changed by the time you watch this video, but those are what you have as of today. So this is for Smartsheet. Let me quickly show you the paid plans for ClickUp. On the screen here, you can see. So ClickUp has the free, the unlimited, the business, and enterprise. Let's quickly go back to Smartsheet. So Smartsheet has a Pro, a business, and enterprise plan. So the Pro will cost you about $7 per user per month when billed annually, or $9 per user per month when billed monthly. And this plan is available for a maximum of 10 users, and it offers 20 gigabyte attachment storage and 250 automations per month. For the business, you have to pay $25 per month when billed annually, or $32 per user per month when billed monthly. It requires at least 3 users and has 1 terabyte attachment storage and unlimited monthly automations. For most small businesses that want to write a business plan through Smartsheet, the business tier, pricing tier is a lot better in our view. And then you have the enterprise. So the enterprise here, this is a custom quote. So basically, according to Smartsheet, this plan is for organizations that run processes at scale with enterprise-grade security and controls. Let's quickly go back to ClickUp now. So as you can see on the screen here, so ClickUp has the unlimited. First of all, they have the free, the unlimited, the business, and then they have the enterprise. So the unlimited will cost you about $7 per user per month when billed annually, or $9 per user per month when billed monthly. And so this plan is ideal for small teams. It includes unlimited storage, integrations, dashboards, resource management, and agile reporting capability. Then you have the business. The business will cost you about $12 per user per month when billed annually, or $19 per user per month when billed monthly. And so this plan is ideal for mid-sized mid-sized teams rather. It includes custom exporting, advanced public sharing, advanced automation, advanced dashboard features, and workload management. So those are kind of important capabilities when you are writing a business plan at the organizational level. Let's talk about the features here. So if you're analyzing Smartsheet to a ClickUp Business Plan Software and you want to really think about the features, first of all, you have when we talk about project views here, basically Smartsheet offers multiple project views, allowing you to customize how you view and organize your project tasks that revolve around business plan writing. So you can choose from the following view options: grid view, calendar view, Gantt charts, dashboards, Kanban board. Okay, and they include list, Kanban board, calendar, box, Gantt, activity, timeline, workload, table, map, mind maps. You have whiteboards, docs, chats, forms, embed. What I want to say here is that when you think about Smartsheets versus ClickUp, ClickUp actually, ClickUp in our view, offers more extensive project views compared to Smartsheet, because ClickUp offers 15 views, giving you more flexibility and options to actually choose the view that best fits your project management style and preferences. So if you are actually working on a project that revolves around business planning, and you want to actually have more granularity, you want to have more breadth and depth as you are navigating your business plan writing, basically ClickUp actually will be better for you, because again, ClickUp actually offers more extensive project views compared to Smartsheet. One thing I want to say here is that it also depends on the functionalities you desire within the team. And it also depends on the level of IT sophistication that your team originally has. If your team is good in terms of, let's see, the thing is, ClickUp offers more extensive project views, but there is a slight learning curve to actually account for. So if your team needs to be trained, for instance, if your team needs to be brought up to speed, for instance, then you need to account for that original sort of, let's say, original delay. Okay. But if your team is already good, if everybody has a great skills when it comes to IT, then you can actually get on board, not a problem. Let's talk about ease of use. So when we talk about Smartsheet versus ClickUp Business Plan Software, ease of use, we would say that here is an area where both Smartsheet and ClickUp are known for their user-friendly interfaces, and they are actually you can actually onboard with those tools very fast. Now there are some differences in terms of ease of use. So Smartsheet is generally recognized for its familiar spreadsheet interface, simplicity, and intuitive design. Its user interface is clean and organized in our view, and so making it very easy for all users involved in a business plan activity to navigate and quickly understand how to use the platform. And Smartsheet also provides templates, including business plan templates that make it easy to get started and customize projects according to specific needs. So that's for ease of use. And when it comes to Smartsheet, what about the ClickUp? Now, ClickUp offers a feature-rich experience, which can make it slightly more complex to use compared to a Smartsheet. So while ClickUp provides a user-friendly interface with a well-organized layout, its extensive list of features and customization options can be overwhelming for some users, especially those new to project management tools. And this is what I said earlier, that ClickUp has more extensive project views, but there is a learning curve to really think about here. What about integrations here? Well, Smartsheet integrates with about 70 to 80 third-party applications, including popular tools such as Microsoft Office 365. We're speaking here about Teams, Outlook, OneDrive, etc. You have Google Workspace, Gmail, Hangout, Drive, Slack, Adobe Creative Cloud Extension, Power BI, Tableau, and e-signature with DocuSign. And so these integrations allow users to streamline workflows and enhance collaboration by connecting Smartsheet with their existing tools and systems. So if you are running a business plan right now, or you are thinking about writing any kind of corporate reports, you will love the integration, the depth and breadth of integrations that Smartsheet offers. And now let's talk about ClickUp. Now Smartsheet offers about 70 to 80. In contrast, ClickUp offers over 50 native integrations and connections with over 1,000 apps and services through their Zapier integration. Users can connect ClickUp with various tools, including project management software, business plan software, communication tools, file storage services, CRM systems, and more. So you can see that the depth and breadth of integrations is also here very impressive. Let's talk about the pros and cons when we talk about Smartsheet versus ClickUp Business Plan Software. I want to first talk about the pros and cons of Smartsheet. So when you think about Smartsheet for your business plan software needs, here are the pros I want you to think about. Okay, you have more workflow management features compared to a ClickUp, reporting and analytics capabilities. Here is a tool that can easily be used to manage complex project teams, and it has easy to understand capabilities for any new user familiar with Microsoft Excel. What about the cons here? You have limited customization options, and resource management and time tracking tools require purchase as an add-on. So it's not natively offered here. So those are in a nutshell the pros and cons of Smartsheet. Let's talk about the pros and cons of ClickUp. Again, we're speaking here about ClickUp Business Plan Software. The pros first. You have over 15 views, including list, board, mind maps, and more. And those views can be really beneficial if you are working on a complex business plan, or you're working on a complex corporate reorganization or corporate organization activity. You have extensive time tracking capabilities. You have better customization options. You have a Chrome extension, which can be really great, especially if you are familiar with Chrome. I mean, if you love you working in Chrome. And within ClickUp, you have natural language processing capability, NLP capability. What about the cons here? Within a ClickUp, you have limited template options, and even the business plan software, the business plan templates is not as granular as what you'll find in Smartsheet. And ClickUp does take some time to get acquainted with, and especially when it comes to if you want to go with the advanced capabilities, you might actually need to account for a slight learning curve. Okay, but hey, listen, it is totally worth it, because once you understand, you will be able to use ClickUp a lot more for your business plan activities. So what is our opinion here? So basically, when you think about Smartsheet versus ClickUp Business Plan Software, which one should you use? Let's first break it down in our view here. So Smartsheet, in our view, is well suited for organizations and individuals who prioritize spreadsheet-like functionality and have more traditional project management needs, especially those revolving around business plan writing. So Smartsheet provides a familiar interface similar to Excel, making it easier for users already proficient in spreadsheets to adapt and work efficiently. Its reporting and analytics capabilities make it valuable for organizations that need to generate detailed reports and analyze project data, especially as those revolve around business plan writing. And so what we love about Smartsheet is that Smartsheet is commonly used in industries such as healthcare and life science, financial services, construction, marketing, IT, and OPs and government agencies. So that's for Smartsheet. What about ClickUp? ClickUp is a more modern and flexible project management tool that caters to a broader range of users across various industries and departments, including law, accounting, construction, health, human resources, real estate, media, education, and more. And ClickUp is also suitable for organizations looking for a single platform to accommodate various project management methodologies, including Agile and Scrum. Okay, so if you are actually working on a business plan, or let's say on a business planning activity, and you would love to have you would like to avail yourself of project management methodologies, including Agile and Scrum, you will really prefer to work more within ClickUp than you would within Smartsheet. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. In today's conversation, I was just comparing and contrasting Smartsheet to ClickUp Business Plan Software. And so I actually gave you the overall presentation, the details, the pricing, the features you need to pay attention to, the integrations, and our opinion here. So our opinion, should you go with Smartsheet versus ClickUp? It really depends on your needs. Okay, if you're looking for something more spreadsheet related, go with Smartsheet. If you're looking for more capabilities and customization options, go with ClickUp. Thank you so much for your attention. God bless you. We'll speak to you another time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.